How's it going, y'all? Hope all is well. About to get into some horror. Today we will be talking about Wolf Creek. This is a 2005 Australian horror film, written, co-produced, and directed by Greg Melech, and starring John Jarratt, Nathan Phillips, Cassandra McGrath, and Kirsty Morassi. The plot finds three backpackers who found themselves taken captive and subsequently hunted by Nick Taylor, a sadistic psychopath xenophobic serial killer in the Australian outback. The film was ambiguously marketed as being based on true events, while its plot bore elements reminiscent of the real-life murders of backpackers by Ivan Milat. Hope I'm saying it right. If not, he's a double freak fuck anyway, it doesn't matter. In the 1990s, and Bradley Murdoch in 2001, both of which McLean used as inspiration for the screenplay for Wolf Creek. So who is Ivan Milat? He's a murderous Australian serial killer as well, who abducted, assaulted, robbed, and murdered 2 men and 5 women in New South Wales between 1989 and 1982. His modus operandi was to approach backpackers along the Hume Highway, or Hume, under the guise of providing new transportation to areas of southern New South Wales. So a little bit about Ivan. His siblings said he displayed antisocial and psychopathic behavior at a young age, such as attacking animals with matches during their childhood, leading to a stint in a residential school at the age of 13. By the age of 17, he was in a juvenile detention center for theft, and at the age of 19, he was involved in a shop break-in. In 1964, he was sentenced to 18 months for breaking and entering, and a month after release he was arrested for driving a stolen car and sentenced to 2 years of hard labor. Ivan abducted 2 young 18-year-old female hitchhikers near Liverpool railway station with a knife. He RAPED them. One of the hitchhikers, before they stopped at a patrol station cafe where they managed to escape. Milat was arrested later that day and was charged with 1 count of RAPE and 2 counts of armed robbery. While awaiting trial, he was involved in a string of robberies with some of his brothers before faking his suicide by leaving his shoes at the Gap, a renowned Sydney suicide site. So with all that being said, Wolf Creek is basically based on or trying to visually give you the mindset of the main evil dude as being Ivan Milat, or Milat, however you pronounce it, but basically that guy is supposed to be him. So they're basically taking his life and putting it on Wolf Creek, and he does an excellent job. This film, Wolf Creek, it's different because it has some gore, some light gore, but it's mainly a psychological film. So if you into psychological, just being mind fucked, this is that film, and it's very good. It's not your horror traditional type of film, so you don't expect ghosts and zombies and shit like that. But it's definitely horrifying to see the backpackers in the position that they are in and all the gruesome things that he does to them. So Wolf Creek, check that out. Part 2 is just as gruesome. Y'all be safe out there trick or treating.